So hello guys, this is the part 3 of making a dynamic website, and this is also the last part. So in this part we will going to make or edit the admin page, and also later I will explain the whole flow of our dynamic website. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So here guys, I have already the code or the admin of my instructor. So this is the admin, the dashboard, the start page, and the library. So I'll already copy it and paste here in our VisualStudio CODE. So we will going to make an admin page. So here in our VisualStudio CODE, I will explain this code. As I mentioned earlier, if we click the submit button, it will go to the process and go in the login check.php, which is the method post. After that, it will go here in the login check here. In this file, so we are going to click this. This is the code of the login check, which is here. This is the login check, and the name of your file, which is login checks, will be also the same. This here this 3, to avoid the error when accessing the admin page. So here, this is our connection here, the database, and inside the database is the beacon, which is they check the username and our password, and from the TBL shop, which is our table, and check these two, and the remaining will be checked also. After checking these fields, it will go to the admin, which is here. This is the admin here. After checking this field, it will go to the admin page. So if we are going to log in here and type our username and a password, and this is our password here. So if we click login, so this is the dashboard or the admin page. So this is the admin page of my instructor. So we will going to edit this one later, and I will explain whole flow of our dynamic page. So here in our admin page, so we have here the code, and we will going to edit this one. We are going to change this avatar here. So I will put my picture, and JPG, and after we are going to, so this is my picture. We already replaced the default picture here. So here we are going also edit this one, ibso.png, and we are going to delete this. And also the logo, we are going to edit and put the name of our website, which is Tech Online Shop PH. So as we go in our browser and refresh, so this is the logo, which is the IBSU, and the name of our website. So here we are going to edit this whole page. So here in our footer, we are going to edit also. We are going to delete this one. So we don't have any website yet, so we are going to put our name of our website here. So guys, I will going to explain this later after editing this code here. So here we are going to edit this one also. So here, as you can see here, we have the logo, and we are going to put our title, which is here. We are going to edit this one and replace the name of our website. Or we are going to name it as Take User. So if I'm going to refresh it, so this is the dashboard and the name Take User. So going back in the VisualStudio Code, we are going to edit here in our navbar. So here, this is the name of the table in the database. So we are going to rename it as TBL Shop, because the name of my table is Table Shop. So refresh, and as we can see here, this is the table, and we cannot also edit this one. So we are going to change the code of the edit and the delete and add user also. So clicking the logout is working. So we are going to log in again. So here in our active page, we are going to edit that also. Here, this is TBL Shop. And in the save user, we are going to edit this one also as TBL Shop. And delete this date and time, and also here I'm going to delete this one. So we are done in saveuser.php. So also this, we are going also delete this one, so we don't have a time. So in remove user, we are done here, and the save user, we are done here also. and log out. This is the code of the logout. Okay, and here in our pages we are going to edit this one. So here in our we are going to in the sign up. So we are going to edit this a little bit. And in our process, that's okay. So in our sign up, I think it is okay. So we are going to refresh our page and try the so this is the users here who registered in the sign up, and we are going to sign up here in our admin page. It is working. So in here on city and state and zip code, we are going to delete this one later, but before that we are going to click save. So new user successfully added. So the sign up here in our admin page is okay. So and the clear button also works. So the add user or the sign up form is working. So we are going to edit some of this here, and as I've said, I've already edit the home page of our dynamic website. So as we can see here, I'll put the description in our carousel here. So this is our dynamic website, and this is home. It's working. All of the function of our front end is working, and also the sign up form is also working. So type our password here. So this is our password 128 and click login. So this is the dynamic website works, and if we click login, so this is our username and our password. So this is the admin page. I've changed a lot. We put a icon and a title and the name of our website and the picture and starter page color. We have also changed here a lot of our admin page. So here in our users, it's also working, and I've already edit the code here already. So here is the edit, and this red button here is the delete. So if we are going to click this and edit, this one and put some, and here we're going to delete and click save. So if we click save, the users is updated. So as we can see here in our number here, which is number 4, this is the updated users. So this is the updated user here, the last. So next is we are going to check the delete button. So if we click OK, so it successfully deleted or removed. As you can see here in our table, the number 4 is already deleted and removed. And also the add user or the sign up in the admin. So if I click this, so I've already edit it and so I've already delete this, the form below. So we are going to click save. So it also worked. The edit and delete and add user is working. This 3 is important in our admin page. So as you can see, this 3 is already functioning. So this is our table here, and if click home, so we are going back in our home page. Home admin. So this is the dynamic page work. If we click the logout, so we already here in our home page in our website. So this is the example of the dynamic website. So this is the final output and final website that we make. So we are going to delete this, and I will explain this one here, the code on how our page work. So here, this is the submit. This is the edit user file, the edit user.php here. So when we scroll up, so here, so this one if we will going to edit this one in our edit user here, the last name, and if we click the submit button, the submit here below. So if we click this submit, so it will go to the action. As I've said earlier, it will go to the action here. This is our action, which is the folder process, and it will go to the page and the save user, and this is the database connection here. So this is the save user.php. So this is the save user.php in our process file folder. So this is what the edit function flow, and the save user. So this is the save user here so we are inside in our admin. So I am explaining this, and this is the save user also in the admin. This is our password and the last name, first name, and the username. So here in our sign up, so this is our sign up code in the admin or the add user. So I've already edit this one in the save user. So if we are going to fill up this one, the username, the password, and the last name and first name, this one, if we are going to fill up that form and click the button save, so this is the save button here, the top, and below is the clear button also. So if we click that, so it will go to the action here, the action here. This is the action process, and the page is save user. So inside the process is the save user. So this is the save user here. After it saved the user, it will go to the save.php, and it will be saved in our database. So as we can see in our table in the admin page, new user is successfully added. So here in our remove user.php, so this is the code. So this is require ones from the database and the DB connection and user ID, and it will delete from our TBL shop where ID is equal to ID. So if we're going to delete one user here, so this is the process here if we are going to delete a user. So here if successfully, it will pop up as success. If error is error also. So that's how the remove users work, and so this is also the logout. So this is the logout. If we click that, so it will go back in our home page. So this is the final, and I think that's all. So here we have a quick review here of our dynamic website works. So here I am going to explain for you to understand. So here if we click this login here, the only part will change here is this part will only be changed here. And also and this part here, this part here in the upper here, and in our main here, this is our main here, which is the carousel. and our footer here will be will remain, it will remain steady, or it will remain if we click some of the button of our navigation bar here. The only change here is this login form here. This is the example of dynamic. If we click sign up, the only change here is this form here. We click this, and it will remain here. So this is our main page here and our footer. So if we click home, it will go to the admin page. It is hello tech user, and this is our alert here. So I will show you the code of our login on our Visual Studio Code in our process. So this is I will show you this sign up here. I will show you the code of the sign up in the Visual Studio Code for you to understand. So in our pages, so this is the sign up. This is the sign up form code here. So after we put our username, password, last name, first name, and check the submit button here, it will go to the login check in our process here. This is the login check. After that, after evaluating this form here, so we will go back in our page. After checking, after you log in, I'll sign up and check this login and check your fields, so it will go here in our database. So this is our database. This is the name of our database, the DB online shop. This is our database, and this is our table here. So if we click the table here, so there is no user signing up. So we'll go back and signing up. We will going to sign up. This is a brief explanation, or simple. This is a simple explanation for you to understand. So here, after we click the login, so as we can see here, the new user successfully added. So if we go here in our website, database, so this is the database. Is, as we can see here, this is our ID 18, the username, names, and the password is we cannot see because it is encrypted, and the last name, first name. So this is our database. So after that, if we click the login here on top, if we click the login, so this is the login form here. So I'll show you the codes of the login form. So this is the form of the login here. So it required you to input your username here and your password. So after clicking after clicking the submit here, in which is the name is login. So as we can see here, this is the login button. If you click here, it will go to the action here. This is our action, and it will check your fields in the login check. So here in our database, it will check this. The login check will check this one also, this. And after checking your fields, it will go to the admin form, admin dashboard, I mean the admin dashboard. So we are going to after that, so this is the admin form. If you are going to log in and use your username and password, so as we can see here in our login.php, if you use your username and the password, it will go to the login check here. So it will check your username and the password. So it will check these fields also. After checking this one, it will go to the admin. So this is the location admin here. So that's why after we log in, so it will go to the admin dashboard. So this is our admin dashboard. So that is the dynamic page work here. So after we clicking this user here, so this is our user. So I've already signed up. So this is the user we can see in our admin page. So if we click the add user, so this is the add user or a sign up form. It is also the same from the sign up form in the home page of our dynamic website. So the difference is it is inside in the admin dashboard. We can also add a user here. So I think that's all, and I hope you learned something in our website, and I hope you can also make your simple dynamic website. So as my instructor said, hands-on is better than watching. And also don't forget to hands-on in your, if you are going to make your own dynamic website. And as my instructor said also, he said that don't let yourself behind. So I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So goodbye.